Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is November 26, 2025. This video is on a New England Journal of Medicine article published on November 19, 2025, titled A New Stage for Seasoned Actors, Food Anaphylaxis and the Cysteinyl Leukotrienes. It's a clinical implications of basic research article. What triggers food-induced anaphylaxis? In sensitized individuals, ingestion of allergens activate IgE-bound mast cells, releasing mediators like histamine and leukotrienes. What are cysteinyl leukotrienes? They are lipid mediators, LTC4, LTD4, LTE4, derived from arachidonic acid that promotes smooth muscle constriction, vascular leak, and inflammation. Why are leukotrienes important in food allergy? They enhance intestinal permeability, drive mast cell expansion, and facilitate systemic absorption of allergens. Which enzymes generate leukotrienes? 5-lipoxygenase and leukotriene C4 synthase convert arachidonic acid into LTC4, later metabolized to LTD4 and LTE4. What role does DPEP1 play? Dipeptidase 1 degrades LTD4. Reduced activity increases leukotriene potency, raising susceptibility to anaphylaxis. Why do some people absorb allergens more easily? Leukotrienes promote goblet cell-associated antigen passages or gaps, allowing more antigen transport. Do leukotrienes influence mast cell numbers? Yes. Leukotriene C4 and D4 stimulate mucosal mast cell expansion, amplifying allergic responses. Do asthma drugs help prevent food anaphylaxis? Xylutone, a 5-LO inhibitor, showed protection in mice, while montelukast, cis-LTR1 only blocker, did not. Are there findings from human studies? The mechanistic studies were done in mice. The human anaphylaxis showed an elevated urinary leukotriene E4. Why does oral exposure matter? Cysteinyl leukotrienes are required for anaphylaxis triggered by ingested allergens, but not injected allergens. How do leukotrienes affect intestinal transit? They accelerate transit, increasing allergen delivery to sensitized mast cells. Do genetic factors modify risk? Variants in leukotriene metabolic enzymes such as DPEP1 may alter anaphylaxis susceptibility. Can blocking leukotrienes prevent reaction? Broad inhibition of leukotriene synthesis or receptor activity may reduce risk, but human trials are needed. What is the role of ILC2 cells? Leukotrienes activate ILC2s to produce IL-9 and IL-13, expanding mast and goblet cells. What is the clinical implication? Targeting leukotriene pathways may offer new therapeutic strategies for food allergy prevention. These are some eponyms related to this topic. Hit pause and read at your leisure. These include Gell-Coombs classification, the Sampson criteria for food anaphylaxis, Kellogg sign, Weiss reaction, and the Schwammen syndrome link. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues. When we change how we see disease, we change how we shape lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. Podcast brought to you by masterbedfacts.com. This podcast is for physicians and healthcare providers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and forward to your friends.